Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We've been doing a lot of salad over the last couple of weeks and days and months. I got some mixed leaf right here, leftover mixed leaf, and I want to make a nice little salad. Simple salad, but you know what I mean, gonna be really nice the way I'm going to do it. Please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me. I like to do healthy salad. You know what I mean? It may look similar, but them all different. You know what I mean? But them all the same ingredients, but we do different. I like to make healthy stuff. You know what I mean? The more healthy stuff you have, is the better for you. Yeah, guys? So please stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Please watch my YouTube channel and leave a comment in the description box. This is Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. I love you all. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I'm right here. First of all, I'm gonna do is get 1 clove of garlic. And I'm gonna be crushing a clove of garlic. If you guys wanna get this garlic crusher, please go on my YouTube channel and you can get it to buy, alright? So first thing, I wanna crush my garlic. And then what we're gonna do is simple. Go right there. But look at this. See that? Yeah. Because I'm going to make a healthy recipe. That's the garlic. Second thing, I have some spring onion, which I want to be using. I'm gonna use a few of it. Straight inside of it like this. Then I have some celery. I love celery. And I have some red onion, which I'm going to also put inside of it. All of these ingredients is ingredients I do love. If you don't like it, you don't need to put it in. Alright, guys? Let's keep it in natural. Tomato. Nice, lovely beef tomato. Got a medium-sized cucumber. Let's put that straight inside of it. Nice and lovely. So we're going to be using 1 medium-sized tomato and cucumber. Nice one. Then we're gonna put some olive oil. I love my olive oil, guys, honestly. And I love a little bit of chili on my salad. You know? Yeah, a little bit of chili. And also a little bit of cracked pepper. Nice one. And all I'm going to do is marinate it up. Marinate it up like this. Alright? But before we do that, look at this. Look, we're gonna come out lovely in this bowl. We're gonna get the leaf, and that's simple. Put in the bowl like this. And like this. Like a salad like this, you know what I mean? If you're at home in the evening, you know what I mean, I have a nice party or gather, or you're cooking some special meal, these come in really handy. And that's how Chef Ricardo always make this kind of recipe for fill the gap for some of the fun we've been doing. Cooking healthy meal and healthy stuff at home. Look at that. Very easy and simple recipe, guys. I want to say thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Salad Bar channel and Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So please stay tuned, watch more recipe and watch more video. Because we have a lot of stuff gonna come up, guys. Things on top of things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. This is a simple recipe and you guys can make it at home. Stay tuned.